So here we are as a family. We arrive in Mexico, we get checked into our condo, and we walk out onto the balcony of the 8th floor. Now from up there, the view is unreal. The ocean is bright blue, the sun was bouncing off the water, and the beach just looked perfect. Now, if I asked you what you saw down there, you'd probably say the same thing we did. Sand. Just beautiful white sandy beach for miles all across the ocean. Once we unpacked, we made our way down to the beach, and just everything changed. Now, we're a little closer. There's so much more detail. Rocky and Ryder start noticing seashells in the sand. One here, another one there. And once they picked up a few, it was like it's all we could see. We slowed down. We started scanning the ground. And before long, we had dozens of shells. Each one unique, and each one better than the last. And standing there, I had this thought. This is exactly how parenting works, because what you look for is what you see. And standing there with the boys and Nicole, I had this thought. This is exactly how coaching and parenting works, because what you look for is what you see. If you look for mistakes, you'll see them everywhere. If you scan for what your child is doing wrong, that's all your brain will find. And over time, that becomes their inner voice. But if you look for effort, courage, resilience, improvement, integrity, you'll start seeing those everywhere too. Your attention is a spotlight. Whatever it lands on, it grows. Your brain scans for what you train to look for. So here's a simple challenge for you and your child this week when they go to class. I call it the 3 shells. And this matters because most parents don't actually need more information. They need a better filter, something to help them decide what to pay attention to in the middle of busy days, loud classes, and emotional moments. Shell number 1, effort. This is the easiest one to miss because effort doesn't always look impressive. It doesn't come with medals. It doesn't always come with wins. Effort is the kid who keeps trying even when they're tired. It's staying engaged when the drill gets hard. It's choosing to finish the round instead of mentally checking out. And here's why this matters. When kids learn that effort is noticed, they stop being afraid of hard things. They learn that progress matters more than perfection. They learn that trying counts, even when the result isn't perfect. Shell number 2, reset. Mistakes are part of martial arts. You're going to miss kicks, forget combinations, get tagged, lose balance. That's training. The real skill isn't avoiding mistakes. It's what happens immediately after. Do they freeze? Do they shut down? Or do they take a breath and re-engage? Every time you acknowledge a reset, you're teaching your child something powerful. That mistakes don't define them. Their response does. And kids who learn how to reset don't spiral. They stay present. Now, shell number 3, bravery. Bravery almost never looks loud. It's subtle. It's raising a hand, trying a new technique, stepping forward even when they're unsure. It's the kid who stays in the drill instead of avoiding it. And bravery matters because confidence isn't something you tell kids to have. It's something they earn, one brave moment at a time. So scan for those 3 shells. Reset, bravery. Say them out loud. Name them often. Because confidence isn't built by pointing out what went wrong. It's built by consistently recognizing what went right. Your child will eventually start looking for what you look for. So, choose your shells wisely. Hey, thank you guys so much for listening to this episode. If this hit home for you, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to go deeper on this stuff, parenting, mindset, raising confident kids through martial arts training, join us inside our school community. The link is below. I'll see you guys on the next one.